What's the meaning of cruise? Cruise. Cruise.
Cruise. Cruise. Cruise can have multiple meanings depending on the context, but it is often used to refer to a leisurely trip or journey taken by a vehicle, usually a ship or a car. During a cruise, passengers enjoy various activities and amenities on board while traveling to different destinations. It is a popular form of tourism and can range in duration from a few days to several weeks. Ultimately, a cruise provides an opportunity for relaxation, entertainment, and exploration, allowing travelers to experience different cultures and destinations in a unique way.